Good morning, student. Today I am going to teach you subject verb conquered. So I already told you what is a subject verb conquered. Conquered is known by other name. It is also known as subject verb agreement. Okay. Now, as you all know, children, that I have already discussed with you what is a verb. So what is a verb? What is a verb? Verb, children, tells us what action has been done, or what have happened, what work has been done, or what is the, or children, what is the state of a person. Like the baby sleep, the sleeping is a verb. I also told you what is a subject and an object. Noun or pronoun which comes before the verb is a subject. Noun or pronoun which comes after the verb is an object. Okay. So subject means the persons or things about which something is said. When we construct a sentence, the verb and subject should agree in number and person. Now let me tell you what is a number and what is a person. Number means singular number or plural number. Person means first person, that is I and we. Second person, that means you or your. Third person, that is third person singular is very important, that means he, she, it, any name or any singular thing. And children, any subject, thing or any singular thing. Now I have already discussed with you so many rules, like a singular subject take the verb in the singular and plural subjects take the verb in the plural. Now what is a singular subject? Singular subject means if it is a boy, then it would be boys. And what is a plural? Singular is boy. Subject, I am talking of subject. Singular is boy and plural are boys. Girls, girls. Toy, toys. Cow, cows. Buffalo, buffaloes. Okay, butterfly, butterflies. Flower, flowers. Men, men, men. Child, children. Okay, now if singular verb is there, children, we add s to the verb. Now you have to, this is the most important point, singular verb, that means we have to add s or es with the verb. Okay, so a singular subjects take the verb in the singular and plural subjects take the verb in the plural. All English verbs are plural. We make them singular by adding s or es to the verb. So all English verbs are plural and we have to make them singular by adding s or es. Sohan comes here every week. Sohan comes. Now Sohan is a singular and Sohan is singular and comes, C-O-M-E-S, comes is a singular verb. With singular subject we add singular verb. The teachers are on strike. The teachers are on strike. So with plural subject, teachers are plural and are is a plural. R is a children plural verb. Now rule number 2, once again I am going to revise. When two or more singular subjects are connected by and, so the verb is in plural. So when two or more singular subject is connected by and, okay, when two or more singular subject, when it is connected by when it is connected by and, so the verb is plural. Like Sohan and Ravi are brothers. Now I also discussed with you rule number 3. When two singular nouns refer to the same person, the verb must be singular. Now if two singular nouns are there and it is referring to the same person, the verb must be singular. Shruti, friend and colleague, is coming. The manager and secretary has died. The manager and secretary has died. Manager and secretary are the same person, so the verb here has a singular. Shruti, friend and colleague, both Shruti, friend and colleague is same person, so is the verb I'm using here. Now children, when two or more noun is of the same unit, when two or more nouns make one unit, when two or more noun make one unit, the verb must be singular. Like rice and curry is my favorite food. Needle and thread, go and bring needle and thread. Needle and thread is one unit. Bread and butter is a very popular and perfect food. So bread and butter is a breakfast. It's a single unit. Now rule number 5, when a singular subject is qualified by each or every, the verb must be singular. So when a singular subject and it is having children, it is qualified by each or every, the verb must be singular. Like each boy was given a present, every girl has a book for her own. Okay, each boy has a book of her own. The phrase one of is always followed by a plural noun, but the verb is always singular. The phrase one of is always followed by a plural noun, but the verb is always singular. So one of the boys, so one is followed by a plural noun, but the verb which we are using here is singular. Sings very well. Sings is a plural verb. Sorry, singular verb. One of the books is mine. One of the books is mine. This is the very book that I needed. Now rule number 7. When two nouns are linked by either or, neither nor, the verb agree with the later noun. So children, when two nouns are there, it is linked by either or, neither nor, the verb agrees with the later. Neither food nor clothes were available. Neither food nor clothes were available. Neither the boys nor the teacher is here. So neither food nor clothes, and were available. Neither the boys nor the teacher is here. Now I am going to discuss rule number 8. When a sentence begins with introductory there, the verb should agree with the noun that follows it. Okay. When the sentence begins with introductory there, the verb should agree with the nouns that follow it. There are 6 boys in the class. There are 6 boys in the class. There is a table in my room. There is a table in my room. Noun connects by, with, together with, as well as take the verb according to the former noun. Now this you have to understand. Now children, if two nouns are there, if two or three nouns are there, and it is connected with or together with or as well as, take the verb according to the former noun. The mother with her children goes to work. So you can see here, the mother with her children goes to work. So children, this is the sentence, okay, and it is connected with, and this is singular, so the verb is also singular. Okay, it is connected. Two nouns are there, the mother and the children are there. The verb first is singular, so the verb also is singular. So if two or more noun is there, they are connected with or singular with or as well as, take the verb according to the former noun. Now, the mother with her children goes to work. The mother with her children goes to work. The father as well as my mother has come. So children, you can see the father, it is connected by as well as. It is connected by as well as. Okay, so the father is singular, so we are using singular verb here, has. The father as well as my mother has come. So singular noun is father. It is connected by children. The father as well as my mother has come. Now I am going to discuss rule number 10. If a plural noun referring to distance, weight, height, amount of money represent a single figure or quantity, it should be followed by a singular verb. This is very important. Okay. Now, if a plural noun is there and that plural noun, if a plural noun is there, it is referring to distance, okay, weight, height, amount of money represents a single figure or quantity, it should be followed by a singular verb. So this should be followed by a singular verb. Like 50 kilometer is a short distance. 50 kilometer is a short distance. 50 kilometer is plural. Okay. And it is referring to distance. So the verb used here is singular, is. Okay. Similarly, she paid him a 5 rupees note. It is dealing with the currency, money, amount of money. So she paid him a 5 rupees note. So, okay. So if a plural noun referring to distance, weight, height, amount of money, it represents a single figure or quantity, it should be followed by singular verb. Now, the name of a book, house or hotel, even if it in the plural form, is treated as singular. So children, if a name of a book is there, or the name of a hotel is there, or the name of a book or house or hotel is there in the plural forms, like Bachchan's house, Ambani's house. Okay, and the name of the book, let me tell you, Gulliver's Travel. Gulliver's Travel, it seems as if it is in plural form, but the verb here is singular. Whispering Window is a nice restaurant. Whispering Window is a nice restaurant. Whispering windows, windows. So you can see it is a plural form and it is representing, the verb is whispering windows. Okay, windows, it is a plural. Now, collective noun take verbs in singular, but when the individual are taken separately, verb can be plural. Collective noun takes verb in singular, but when the individuals are taken separately, verbs can be plural. A herd of cattle is grazing. A herd of cattle is a collective noun. Okay, so the whole unit is taken as singular, but children, the class is sitting quietly. Class is the whole unit, but a student of the class are talking. If individuals are taken separately, the verb can be plural. Okay. Now, the jury were divided in their opinion. The jury, children, I hope you know what is a jury, the members of the judges. So if I will tell the jury decision was the final. The jury decision was the final. If we will take the jury as a whole, then we will apply singular verb. But if we will apply the individuals separately, then the verbs can be plural. The jury were divided in their opinion. That means all the members of the jury, their opinions were different. Okay. Now, rule number 3. Nouns such as clothing, food, furniture, crockery, cutlery, stationery, and footwear are singular. Nouns such as clothing, food, furniture, crockery, cutlery, stationery and footwear are singular and the verb therefore should be singular. So children, furniture is known as a singular. The furniture has been damaged. Clothing, all his clothes were damaged. Food, furniture, crockery, cutlery, stationery and footwear are singular and the verb therefore should be in singular. The furniture has been damaged. The clothing has to be washed. The crockery has been broken. The cutlery has been not found in the house. Stationery is not there in his shop. We will never tell stationery are not there in the shop. We will tell stationery is not there in his shop. The noun plural in form but singular in meaning. Now remember, the noun plural in form but singular in meaning takes the verb in singular. Like children, many subjects are there where we put S, like maths, okay, economic. So you can see S is there, but then it is considered as singular. S is there, but it is considered as singular. Okay, so we have to take singular verb. Like economics is an interesting subject. Maths, we are eating S with the maths. We never write M-A-T-H. We always write M-A-T-H-S. Maths is my favorite subject. Now let's talk about news. The news is not true. This news is not true. Okay. Now children, then there are many phrases like a lot of, you can write it. Okay. A lot of, this is a phrase. Then plenty of, most of, plenty of, most of, okay, some of, so you can see these phrases. A lot of, plenty of, most of, some of. Okay, so these phrases like a lot of, plenty of, most of and some of are used as singular when they refer to the amount or quantity. When they refer to the amount or quantity, but they are taken plural verb when they refer to number. They are taken as plural verb when they refer to number. A lot of work has to be done. A lot of work has to be done. A lot of boys like these chocolates. A lot of boys. Now, lot of boys. Okay, a lot of boys. A lot of work. We never say a lots of work. We never say a lots of boys. We most of, some of. Okay, so they are used as singular when they refer to what? Amount or quantity. But they are plural verb when they refer to number. Okay, they are plural verb when they refer to number. A lot of boys like these chocolates. So children, this is subject verb concord, and once again I would like to tell children that some of the nouns, some of the words are there like news. Okay, so news is singular. Actually news, N-E-W-S, not east, west, south. People think that it is news, news is plural, but actually news means north, east, west, south. Okay, So these are some of the important point of the lesson. Okay, especially collective noun. In collective noun, what happened? Like members of the jury uh, has their decision. All the members of the jury, okay, uh, are varying with the decision. Now, if jury is considered as one unit, if it would have been considered as one unit, jury, so the verb would have been singular. The decision of jury was final. The decision of jury was final. The decision of jury was final. So this was taken. What? The decision of jury was final. So here jury is taken as the whole, singular. But if the member decision are different, so we can say the members or the decision of the members of the jury were divided in their opinion. Okay, so children, I think I am able to tell you, and then remember this, children. If two nouns are linked by either or, neither nor, the verb agrees with the later noun, the verb which comes later. The verb will be changed according to the last noun, the later noun. Like neither food nor clothes were available. Neither food nor clothes. So here clothes is neither food nor clothes. Clothes. Clothes here is plural. So neither food nor clothes were available. Neither the boys, okay, nor the teacher is here. Now here the boys are plural but teacher is singular. So here the verb used is. What is the verb used here is. Okay. Similarly, if a singular noun is qualified by each or every, we use singular verb. Each boy was given a present. Every girl has a book of her own. Every girl has a book of her own. Right? And this is also very important. If two nouns are there, it is connected with together with as well as. So they take the verb according to the former noun. The father as well as my mother has come. The mother with her children goes to a walk. So mother is singular. It is a former noun. So children, what we have to write it here? We have to write here. Okay. What? Singular verb. Means the noun which comes earlier, former, the subjects. Then the verb change according to the former subject. Okay, then children, if plural noun is referring to distance, weight, height, amount of money, it represents a singular figure or quantity. It should be followed by a singular verb. 50 kilometer is a short distance. She paid him a 5 rupees note. Okay, so all this thing we have to see. So this is known as subject verb conquered. Okay, singular subject, singular verb. Always remember plural subject, plural verb. Children, verb is singular when we add what? When we add, children, s to the verb, then it will always be singular. Okay, so these were the rules, and then you have to apply it. Okay, like then now what you will write? Many of the bananas was rotten. So here children, many of the bananas were rotten. Many of the bananas were rotten. So this you have to see. Alright. The Guru decides to leave the kingdom of fool. The Guru decides or decided. Okay. Now, so children, we have done all the points. Okay. There are many points, but the points which are there in your syllabus, that I have discussed it. So I hope this is a new topic and you have understood it in a nice manner. Okay, if any problem we are having, we can discuss in the online class. Okay, so with this I conclude my video here. Thank you and have a nice day ahead, student. Bye bye.